Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and as you saw in the thumbnail, I just picked me up a DJI Mavic Mini. So, because we're quarantined and I gotta make content by myself, can't really collaborate with a lot of different people, gotta keep your distance, I thought I've been seeing a lot of dope footage of drones and drone footage, and I kind of always wanted to incorporate it into some of my videos as I got further down the road. And I was like, well, right now is the perfect time to do it. So I went out and got me a Mavic Mini. So I've been looking at a lot of videos online, and today I just want to bring you a quick unboxing of my Mavic Mini that I just picked up. A couple of the reasons why I picked up this drone is because I've never flown a drone before. I've heard this one's pretty easy. This is probably one of the cheapest drones you can get, and it's also under the 250 gram requirement for you to register and do all that. You had to do all the extra stuff if you're over 250. So I figured this is probably the best starter drone kit that I can get for right now, until, you know, maybe down the road if I want to do more footage or maybe start doing more professional type stuff and getting paid and all that stuff for it, then upgrade to the bigger. But I feel like start here and then move up later. So that's why I picked up this Mavic Mini drone. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right, so as you can see here, just comes in a nice white box here, list all the stuff on the side. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. All right. Oh yeah. All right. You got the plastic off. Now, this is not the regular kit. This is the Fly More combo that you can get. So reason why I picked up the Fly More combo is because you get a whole lot extra in the box. And once we unbox it, I'll go through exactly what's extra for the value and actually how much value you're actually getting. Because I actually went and looked up every item on DJI's website, how much it will cost separately if you try to buy it separately versus getting it in this kit. And this kit is actually a very, very great value, as we'll get into once we start pulling these objects out. So let's go ahead. Looks like we have a little bit more tape here at the top. All right, got the box open right there. So this is one of the extra items you get here, is this nifty looking carrying case. It has the DJI Mavic written on top of it. It looks very, very good. It kind of reminds me of those for any of the Google Pixel users, the Google Pixel earbuds, how they used to have a little fabric stuff on them. That's what kind of reminds me of. It's that same type of fabric, same type of look, but it looks and feels very nice and very sturdy. This is going to be a nice traveling kit if you do want to pick one of these up. All right, let's see what else is in this box. We got this. What is in here? Looks like we got some books, instructions, how-tos. So that's pretty cool. We'll lay that over here. This might be a charging brick. Yep, so we got a charging brick here, and if I'm not mistaken, this is gonna be a 18-watt USB charger, and this is one of the extra items that you get in this Fly More kit. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. This has got some heft to it, so let's see what's in this. Oh, this looks like this might be the battery hub. All right, no, these are actually the 3 batteries. So this kit, the normal kit comes with 1 battery. This kit comes with 3 batteries. So you'll get 2 extra batteries with this kit versus the normal kit. So I mean, as I said, I'll go over the full value of it later, but just kind of want to show you what's in the box right now. And looks like we got one more bigger box here. And there's not a lot of weight on this box. So let's see. Oh, these are the protective guards. So that's what's in this box, which makes sense on why it was so light. So I'll pull one of these out just to show y'all. And I was, as I was doing research, I was told if you're a rookie flying drones and you think you're gonna be flying it around, you know, objects or other things, it's best to put these guards on, because they said it'll save you the headache down the road of crashes or running into something. This definitely protects the propellers. So this is kind of the propeller guards there. So that's kind of what that looks like. So that looks like they clip right over on it. And these things are like, this is super light. I mean, this whole kit, this whole setup is super light, but these are super light. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay all this stuff out, get everything out of the plastic that we need, and then kind of go over what's actually inside here, because this is the drone, and then move some of this stuff out the way. So bear with me. All right, so I got all that other stuff out the way, and I wanted to focus on what's in this box, because I'm assuming what's in this box is the actual drone and the actual controller and the battery hub. So let's go ahead and get this open here. It's lined in felt. It's got some felt on the inside, which is really, really nice. Let's see what we got here. This is the three-way battery hub, so you can charge all three batteries at once. And they actually call it a two-way charger, because I believe as this is charging, you can charge another device while you're hooking up to it too. So it has like, it's like a two-way charger. So this is pretty cool. This is very nice to get with this. This box indicates there's a bunch of plugs. I'm not going to take those out right now. This looks to be the controller. So this is pretty small. All right, so yeah, that's the controller there without the knobs in, and looks like it just kind of flips down like that. And then those are the, as you can kind of see in here, right here, those are the little the sticks that you'll screw into here, your antennas that fold out here, and boom, then your phone kind of fits in there. But as I go and do more videos on this and take you through flight intros and stuff like that, I'll show you exactly how your phone looks and fits in there and go through all that as well. Today is just a simple unboxing video to kind of show you what you get in the Fly More kit, and whether it's worth investing in or just go ahead and get the regular kit. But yeah, so that's what the controller looks like there. All right, this right here just looks like it's extra propeller wings, as it's stated on the box. So I'm gonna leave those in there. Don't really need those right now. And here it is, the Mavic Mini. Man, this thing is small, super light too. I mean, I have pretty big hands, but this, I mean, my hand is bigger than this. This is kind of crazy. It is super small, super light. Just for perspective, let me bring out, I have an iPhone XS Max. So this is my iPhone XS Max. And the Mavic Mini, I mean, you can't even see the Mavic Mini behind my phone. That's kind of crazy how small this thing is. Just to turn it over so you can get a bit another perspective. I mean, my phone is bigger than this drone, so that's kind of crazy, man. I mean, just the fact they can put all this technology into something this small and that functions the way that it does, it's pretty amazing. All right, so now that I have this out of the box, let's go over some quick specs here that will probably be of interest to some of you all that may be looking at this drone. So this drone, of course, is 249 grams, so under the register weight limit. It has a max flight time of 30 minutes, which is really good. It can record in up to 2.7K, which is very good. You got to think most phones, I know most phones can record up to 4K, but 2.7K is going to be pretty sharp. That's going to give you a resolution of 2720 by 1530, which is going to look really, really good on your smartphones. And that is in 25 and 30p. And also can do full HD and 1080 at 25, 30, 50, and 60p. So let's give you some options there. And the photo format is going to be JPEG. The video format is going to be MP4, which is H.264. So pretty good codecs, pretty good video stuff, pretty standard stuff there. So it'll be easy to work with and post if you want to do any editing. So that's gonna be, I'm really gonna be looking forward to doing some dope stuff with this and then incorporate it into some of my videos here for you guys on the channel. So yeah, those are the basic specs. I didn't want to give you a full spec readout. Didn't want to bore you with all the information, because you can definitely go look it up. I'll link it down below so you can go look it up yourself on the DJI website, so you can go see the full spec list. But those are the main selling points of this Mavic Mini. So the one thing you all been waiting for, is the Mavic Mini Fly More combo worth it? So let's go through what you get extra and how much it costs. All right, so as I stated, one thing that you do get extra with this kit is the normal kit, you get 1 battery. This kit, you get 2 more extra batteries. If you go on DJI's website, 1 extra battery is $45. So you getting 2, so that's 90 bucks right there. So that's almost the cost of the Fly More kit extra over the standard price. And I think I haven't mentioned the pricing yet, but the regular kit price is $399. The Fly More kit is $499, so $100 more. So that's already, the batteries itself is almost the value of the extra kit. And we still got a whole lot of extra stuff that we get with this kit. So we'll go through that as well. So that's a $90 value already. You do get 2 more spare propellers, which are going to be the propellers that are in here. The propellers are going to be $12. So that's a $12 value that you get included in this kit. You also get an extra set of screws, and also the 360-degree propeller guards. And these propeller guards, if you try to go buy these on the DJI site, they're 19 bucks. So as you can already tell, if you got the math going, that's already over $100 for the stuff you get added to the kit. So you're already netting positive already. So, and we still got some more stuff to cover. The actual screws, I couldn't find those on the DJI site, but I'm sure you can probably find them on a third-party site. I wanted to just strictly stick to the DJI site when I look for the pricing. I'm pretty sure you can find them on a third-party site. But I'm not going to quote a price on that just because I couldn't find it, because I'm going to show you what the value is just on looking on DJI's site. So now let's go ahead and go to the 2-way charging hub. So this is the 2-way charging hub that I showed you guys earlier. And this 2-way charging hub on DJI's website costs 39 bucks. So you get this included. So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead to the next item, 18-watt charger, which I showed you before. This 18-watt charger, it is $15 on DJI's site. So that's pretty crazy. Okay, so we're already netting very well if you're keeping count. And I got a counter going down at the bottom of the screen too, so you can kind of keep count with me. So all right, so that's 15 bucks. You get the carrying bag. They don't have this particular carrying bag on their website. They have another one, but that one's 39 bucks. All right. So if you add all that up, this is a remarkable value. You're paying $100 extra for the Fly More kit, and you're getting pretty much the extra stuff that's included in the kit comes up to $214, right? So you subtract your 100 and you're saving yourself $114 by buying the Fly More kit. Fly More kit definitely is worth it. I mean, it's $100. You're getting $114 extra dollars just for buying the Fly More kit. You're getting that stuff for free thrown in for buying the kit, and you get this nice carrying case here, which, like I said, I haven't seen it on. Didn't see it on DJI's website. You may be able to find it on a third party or something similar, but this particular case, I didn't see it anywhere else that or a price for it. Now, if you do have seen it, comment down below if you know where to find one. I looked on with DJI site, like I said, and I didn't see it. But if you know where to find one, comment down below and let everyone else know where you can find them at. But I couldn't find one. I found one. They had another bag, but wasn't this type of case. So definitely, if you're gonna pick this up and you got the extra coin, definitely go for the Fly More kit. Go big or go home, as they say. And this is a great value that you're not going to be able to beat anywhere else. All right, so that is the unboxing. What I'm going to be doing now is charging up the batteries, getting everything charged up, getting everything ready to go. And I'm going to be doing some flights, some videos with this bad boy. It's going to be posted on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, it's _what's your forte. They go posting some content there, and definitely on the channel, man. I'm definitely gonna come back with just my first impressions. Probably come back with a long-term review, and also maybe doing some after I master the app and master everything that you need to fly this thing. Maybe come back with just some flight intro classes and stuff like that too. Like I said, this is my first drone I ever got, but I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this thing, man. So it's pretty cool. So again, I hope y'all like this unboxing. I hope y'all like this description. The Fly More kit, it is a great value. Definitely get it if you're gonna be looking at picking up this bad boy right here, man. So y'all like, comment down below, subscribe, go follow. If you didn't like this video, dislike it and let me know what you didn't like about it, man. And I'm definitely here for any criticism you may have, man. Just help me support everyone out there, man, and everybody just stay safe, man. Wash your hands, use your sanitizer, use your Lysol, man, and just stay home, man. It's not worth it going out and doing different things in groups. If you're going out by yourself, if you're going for a joyride by yourself, or you're just doing stuff by yourself and not around a lot of people, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But if you're going to don't be going, I heard of like people going to parties and stuff like that, man. Chill with all that, man. Right now, I'm just ready to get things back to normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Be looking forward out with a lot more content with this bad boy right here. I'm about to go charge up everything. Maybe try to do a flight and around my house today, just so I can get used to using it. And then you're gonna be seeing a lot more content with this bad boy right here, man. So I appreciate y'all watching this video, and I'll let y'all later. Peace.